Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue on section 148 proceedings. The issue before the Honorable Bombay High Court was that if the assessee consistently demands and requests the assessing officer that the reason should be provided to him for reopening his case under section 148 and the assessing officer do not provide the reasons to the assessee throughout the assessment, and after that the show cause notice is issued by providing a very less time to respond to the show cause notice, then whether in these type of circumstances whether the whole assessment can be quashed only on the sole ground that the reasons have not been supplied to the assessee to file his objections. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Bombay High Court in the case of Rajesh Podar versus Income Tax Officer and others, and this case is reported in 482 ITR at page number 770, and the date of the judgment is 17th April 2023. The present case relates to the assessment year 14-15. In the present case, the notice was issued to the assessee under section 148, and in response to that notice, the assessee has filed the return of income, and the assessee was consistently requesting the assessing officer to provide him the reasons so that he can exercise his right of filing the objections to counter the issue of notice. The assessing officer do not take any heed to provide the reasons to the assessee in spite of his numerous requests, and at the fag end of the assessment, the show cause notice was issued to the assessee for making the additions, and when the show cause notice was issued, the sufficient time was not given to the assessee to respond to the show cause notice, and ultimately the additions were made for the amounts which were there in the show cause notice. When this matter travelled to the Bombay High Court, the Bombay High Court observed that in the present case there was no doubt that the reasons were not provided to the assessee, which kept away the assessee from his legal right to file the objections. The procedures have not been followed as per the Honorable Supreme Court judgment JKN Dicecraft India Limited versus Income Tax Officer, which has been reported in 259 ITR page number 19. The Supreme Court has laid down the complete procedure for completing the assessment under section 147 read with section 148 in that case law, and according to that case law, it is an established law that after issue of the notice, the assessee has to file the return of income, the assessee has to seek the reasons, then the reason should be provided within a reasonable time, the assessee has a right to file the objections to that reasons, and then the assessing officer has to timely dispose of the objections. So in the present case, the procedure was not followed, and it is also a settled law that if some procedure of law is not followed by the authorities, then it will be presumed that the prejudice has caused to the assessee. The assessee has not to prove that the prejudice has caused to him. The procedures are so important. So when this matter was heard by the Bombay High Court, the court said that in the present case, in spite of the several requests, the reasons were not provided. So in the present case, the whole assessment is liable to be quashed only on this ground. Friends, this case gives a very big lesson to all the professionals and the assessees that we have to exercise our right at the very beginning of the proceedings, because if in this case the assessee has not asked the reason several times, the assessee could not take this plea that the reasons has not been provided to me. Only if the assessee has asked these type of requests from the very beginning, even only in that situations the assessee can take this type of pleas. And interestingly, for only this short issue, the Bombay High Court quashed the assessment proceedings. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Rajesh Podar versus Income Tax Officer and others, and this case is reported in 482 ITR at page number 770, and the date of the judgment is 17th April 2023. Thank you, friends.